Hi everyone, welcome back. How are you? I hope you're doing well. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, and this is Middle School ESOL. All right, let's get started. So yesterday was Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, and tomorrow will be Thursday, May 14th, 2020. The weather in Baltimore today, the high temperature will be 65 degrees, the low temperature will be 48 degrees, and it will be mostly sunny. And to remind everyone, para recordarles, schools are closed for the academic year. Schools in Maryland are closed for the academic year. Las escuelas están cerradas por el año escolar. El año escolar empieza en septiembre o agosto hasta junio. Entonces no vamos a regresar por este año escolar, tal vez en septiembre, pero tenemos que esperar lo que dice el gobierno. But for right now, schools are closed for the academic year. No vamos a regresar a la escuela este año escolar. So for the first activity, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. A piece of paper and a pencil. So on your paper, you will write the date, May 13th, 2020, dictation. May 13th, 2020, dictation 1, 2, 3. I'm going to spell 3 words and you are going to write what you hear. Voy a deletrear 3 palabras, vas a escribir lo que escuchas. All right, number 1. P, U, R, P, L, E. Number 2. B, R, O, W, N. Number 3, P, I, N, K. All right, number 1, P, U, R, P, L, E. Purple. Number 2, B, R, O, W, N. Brown. Number 3, P, I, N, K. Pink. Purple, brown, pink. These are all colors, son colores. So purple, brown, pink. All right, our objective today is I can identify things I can see inside and things I can see outside using a graphic organizer. I can identify things I can see inside, adentro, and things I can see outside, afuera, using a graphic organizer. So, yo puedo identificar cosas que puedo ver adentro y cosas que puedo ver afuera utilizando un graphic organizer. All right, so today we are going to listen, we are going to speak, we are going to write, we are going to read, we are going to write, y tienes 2 opciones. We are going to text or email a photo of our work to Miss Palomino, or si quieres o si puedes, we are going to turn in our work on Google Classroom. Hay un documento en Google Classroom donde puedes escribir las respuestas y pueden entregar este documento por Google Classroom. All right, so your paper will look something like this. Tu papel debe parecer algo así. So the date, Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Y 2 listas. Cada lista tiene 13 cosas, 13 things So things I can see outside, cosas que puedo ver afuera. So there should be 13 items or 13 things. And things I can see inside, cosas que puedo ver adentro. And there should be 13 items, 13 things. All right, couch, couch, couch. También se puede decir sofa, sofa, sofa. Couch, sofa. Couch, sofa. Chair, chair, chair. Street, 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 street. Sign, 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 sign. Refrigerator, 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 refrigerator. Sink, 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 sink. Tree, 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 tree. Fire hydrant, fire hydrant, fire hydrant, fire hydrant. Toilet, 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 toilet. Outlet, 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 outlet. Sidewalk, 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 sidewalk. Bush, 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 bush. Lamp, 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 lamp. Television, 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 television. Sky, 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 sky. Cloud, 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 cloud. Microwave, 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 microwave. Stove, 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 stove. Sun, 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 sun. Moon, 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 moon. Bed, 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 bed. Table, 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 table. Car, 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 car. Truck, 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 truck. Pillow, 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 pillow. Parking lot, parking lot, parking lot, parking lot, parking lot. All right, so today we learned 26 words. Couch, sofa, chair, street, sign, refrigerator, tree, fire hydrant, sink, toilet, outlet, sidewalk, bush, lamp, television, sky, cloud, microwave, stove, sun, moon, bed, pillow, car, truck, table, parking lot. Entonces, en tu papel o en el documento en Google Classroom, have the date, things I can see outside. Bueno, hay que imaginarte en tu casa y, bueno, estás por la ventana, qué puedes ver afuera y qué puedes ver adentro de la casa. All right, so things I can see outside. There should be 13 things I can see outside. 13 cosas que puedo ver afuera. And things I can see inside, there should be 13 things I can see inside. So for example, I can see a tree outside. I can see the sky outside. Things I can see inside. A refrigerator is something I can see inside. A bed is something I can see inside. So you can turn in your work on Google Classroom. Hay un documento en Google Classroom donde puede entregar y pueden entregar este documento, puedes escribir en el documento y eso puede ser una manera de entregar el trabajo o como normal, you can take a photo of your work and send the photo to Miss Palomino. So by email or by WhatsApp. And if you have questions or want to talk, you can call or text Miss Palomino from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. All right, I will talk to you tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.